Panguva ine vanhu vonyatsobuda pachena vachiti President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term of office ends in 2028. Dzapina mashoko anonyatsobuda panguva ine vachiti ayo ZANU-PF nezveGaranda they are trying to push to amend the constitution nekuextenda term yemutungamiri wenyika, but ivo also they know the truth. Dzapina mashoko anyatsoratidza kuti vanhu panguva ino they are now tired of this party nezveGaranda. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipite pahendo yalenzi X abudanyira chiti. What is clear is that by trying to avoid a referendum, they already know that trying to extend the term of President Emmerson Mnangagwa is deeply unpopular decision. They are going to be rolling out paid legal expert after expert in the coming weeks and months, but the truth is known by everyone. His term of office ends in 2028 and it's written in black and white. The incumbent cannot benefit from any amendments. We put in place term limits in the 2013 Constitution precisely to stop this. My people still want me. Excuse me. It's not too late for him to do the right thing. Thomas Kwambulanyo kwa panguva ine achonoka kunze Garanda already know what they are doing. It's unacceptable. The 2013 Constitution yakatoiswa in place dzistopa avo vanhu vane maambitions sezviri kuitika panguva ino. Mashoko anyatsobuda pachena arikuonekwa kunzi aiwa the ruling party ZANU-PF iri kuzama kuamend the constitution so that it can accommodate aiwa mawishes emutungamiri wenyika kuti aramba achitonga beyond 2028. This has been seen over the weekend. The president akanga ane a meeting Brick Farm, but akanyatsokuonekwa kunzi chokwadi chanyatsobuda pachena kuti these guys they are trying their best kuti zviite. Makaona they were campaigning for the president or his allies. Everyone who is opposed to him never attend. Maybe you can say they will never be invited pama occasions akaita seiwawo. Pinda comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.